Hi everyone, I'm Doctor Upasana Gosalia, practicing dentist and implantologist at iSmile Dental Clinic, Mumbai. Did you know that bad breath, or as we call it, halitosis, affects almost 50% of adults once in their lifetime? Now, halitosis is one condition which has an impact on your social life as well. Now, it can really hamper your confidence. So today, we are going to be talking about how to combat or treat bad breath at home and gain back your confident smile. But before we start, let us at least understand what causes or what are the reasons for this bad breath to happen. Now, your mouth has millions of bacteria present, but that's perfectly normal. That's nothing to worry about. The problem actually starts when the bacteria start feeding onto the plaque and the food remnants that are left over in your mouth after you eat your food. So what happens is when they digest this leftover food and plaque, in process they release some bad smelling or foul smelling compounds like hydrogen sulphide, and this in turn causes your bad breath. So the good news here, guys, is that brushing and flossing can really help in reducing bad breath. But sometimes, it may not be enough. And I know that there are so many products available today in the market like mouthwashes and other medicated products which will help you to treat this problem. But not all of us want to try medicated products from the beginning, right? So today I'm going to be talking about 7 ways how you can treat bad breath at home using all natural ingredients. So let's start. First is water. Yes, this is one thing which works wonders. Now, what happens if you drink lots of water is that your body gets stimulation to produce more and more saliva, and your saliva is a very effective aid in bringing down your bacterial levels, which in turn ensures that you don't have bad breath. So yes, don't forget to keep sipping on a glass of water whenever you have the time. Second, green tea. This is one of the most effective ways, I would say, to treat bad breath. Now, studies have shown that green tea is very, very rich in antioxidants. And what is antioxidant, if you ask? These are nothing but products which bring down or cut down the bacteria levels in your mouth. So again, very effective in treating bad breath. So ideally, I would recommend say 2 to 3 cups. If you just do it for say a week's time, you'll start seeing improvement in your bad breath problems already. Now third, chewing onto clove or long. Now clove has great antibacterial properties. But the problem with clove is not a lot of people like to chew onto it directly. It is too strong a taste. Some people may not like it. So you can also choose to replace clove with some fresh mint leaves or pudina as we call it. Both of these are very good and they're just so nice to use on the go, right? You can just carry some around and just pop them in whenever you feel like. Also, the fourth method is chewing onto fennel seeds or Clove. Now, this technique has been tried and tested and it's a part of our Indian culture and routine, and it's for a reason, right? We've been chewing onto Clove since so many years, and yes, it is definitely effective. So do give that one a try. The fifth technique is make your own mouthwash. Yes, this is possible. Now, how do you do it? So basically, it's nothing but just a mixture of 2 simple ingredients. Take a spoonful, like a teaspoonful, I would say, of baking soda, the same soda that is used in your kitchen for cooking, and just dilute it in a glass of warm water and rinse with that water. That's it. As simple as that. Use this, say about 2 to 3 times in a day. And again, in a week's time, you will see improvement. The next technique, the 6th one, is to use essential oils. Now, these are actually my favorite. So what I recommend is you can use either peppermint oil, orange oil, or tea tree oil, whichever either is easily available to you or you have at home, and just dilute 2 to 3 drops in a glass of water and rinse using that water, maybe just once or twice in a day. That's it. And these are not just good for treating bad breath, but they also add a very nice freshness to your breath as well. So yes, do try that. And the last or the 7th is scraping your tongue. Yes, don't forget to use a tongue scraper. Now on the backside of your tongue, literally bacteria are breeding on the mucus which is present. So if you just leave it as it is and don't clean it effectively, you're definitely ending up with bad breath. So every time when you brush, don't forget to scrape your tongue as well. For most people, these techniques are usually seen to be effective and their bad breath problem is seen to get resolved. But in case you still have bad breath after you've tried so many of various home care techniques, then it could mean that you have some other or deeper issue, like say a gum problem, in which case what happens is there are pockets developed in the gums surrounding your teeth and bacteria are seated in them deeply. So in such cases, you will have to visit your dentist and get deep cleaning done professionally, and this might really help and do the trick. Even after doing that, if you still feel that you have bad breath, then yes, this could be a reason to worry. It could occur from a variety of other internal or systemic problems like uncontrolled diabetes, liver problems, kidney problems, sinusitis and other infections. So for these, I recommend that you visit your general practitioner. I hope you guys found these tips useful and will surely try them. Don't forget to treat your bad breath wisely. And do let us know in the comments below if you've tried any of these techniques and which one worked for you. So stay healthy and keep smiling.